Hi everyone, in this WooCommerce tutorial I want to give you an understanding of WooCommerce order statuses. I'm sure you've seen in the back end of your store the list of orders and they have different statuses against them. I'm going to take you through what all the statuses mean, how stock is updated, how payment is taken and at which state and at what status those things happen. Look over the back end of my site and I'll take you through all this order statuses. Let's jump over there now. So this is the back end of my development site. If I go to WooCommerce Orders, you can see all the test orders I have. They've got various statuses such as on hold, processing, completed. So let's take you through all the various statuses there are. I think there's about 2, 4, 6, 7 in total. What I think is a really good explanation of these orders comes from this page from WooCommerce.com. I'll give you a link in the description for this. There's an image down here that takes you through all of the statuses really well. So let's step through this diagram. When an order is first placed, it is marked as pending. So this is before it's been sent to a gateway for payments such as Stripe, PayPal, all of those good services. And that's the default status of pending. Once it's hit the payment gateway, if payment is successful, it's marked as on hold. A caveat there, if you're using a manual payment service or a manual payment method such as checks or cash on delivery, you'll have to manually set it on hold. So it's only services like Stripe or PayPal which will speak back to your WooCommerce store and upgrade the order status to on hold. If the card is declined for whatever reason, it's marked as failed. And then following down that route, mark your order as processing. What that means is your payment has been received, stock level has been reduced, and you're in the process of packaging that product and sending it out to your customer. If it is a virtual product or a downloadable one, this manual step isn't required and it'll jump straight to completed, which means the order has been paid for, stock has been decremented, and it's been delivered. But if you need to pack and ship your products, it'll be marked as processing and you'll manually click the change status button from processing to complete to let your customer know that it has been sent out. If your customer's not happy and they want a refund, again, you would manually change that status to refunded. That'll take the payment out of the system. It will increase your stock level, and that is the end of that process. There can also be an option where your customer cancels before delivery. So say customers ordered something, realize they don't want it, gets in touch by email, says cancel that order. You can also set that status. Let's have a quick look at the back end and look at some of those. So here's a test transaction. It's gone off and it is currently on hold because this is a check payment. So I can change my status here to say it's being processed. So the check's arrived. I've banked that check and it's cleared, so then I mark that as processing, so we know that we need to package that product and get it out to our customers. So this is a really good sort of traffic light system, so you know where in the cycle any of your orders are at any one time. So say this one, the person wants to cancel it, again mark it as cancelled like that. Orders, you can see a cancel one there. So these are completed ones. Hit the refund button down here, refund the full amount. Restock the refunded items. If they're sent back and they're broken, for example, you might not want to restock them. That's why there's a checkbox there and it's set to refunded. I can filter up here, so I'll just see all my processing orders. So if I'm going to pick a load of items from my warehouse, I can just get a list of those with that processing status. Let's just go over them. We've got pending, that's a new order, on hold, while it's been paid or failed, processing completed, refunded and cancelled. I hope that explains the WooCommerce order statuses for you. So that's the end of my tutorial. If you'd like a coupon for a free workshop, go to neilmatthews.com/coupon and you can redeem that against one of my live workshops or a recording of one of my live workshops where I take you through optimization techniques to increase sales on your WooCommerce store. Contact me at neil@neilmatthews.com and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. It's been Neil Matthews. Bye for now.